Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech channel. So in this video, we will learn how we can create the Azure free account. So for it, we need to search first, create Microsoft Azure free account onto the Google search. Okay, so now we will click on the first link. So we can click on the start free button. Okay, so by this we can create the free account. Okay, so for it we need to create the new Outlook email account, or if you are having existing Outlook account, then it will also work. Okay, so we are trying the patterns for the Outlook email account. Okay, so we will input some character to create the Outlook account. Okay, so now I am trying with XYZ at outlook.com. But yeah, so on the below link we can click to get the new email address. So we can see that XYZ email is already used by some another person. Now I am trying to, with the text email. Let's see how. So it is already, it is not available, I can say. Okay, now we will try with another email. Okay, so now I am writing ERB Azure at outlook.com. Okay, so it is available. Okay, so now we need to create the strong password for this account. So now I am input the password. Okay, and now we are clicking on the next button. So we need to fill the birth date, and we need to select the country as well. Okay, now we need to click on the next button. Okay, so now it is the security check, I can say. Okay, so we need to solve this puzzle to certify that I am not a robot, I am the human. Okay, so now verification is complete. Okay, so now we will go onto the next screen. Okay, so I can say that we have created the Microsoft Outlook account. So now we are creating the profile. Okay, so from this page we can see that we need to fill the some basic details. So we need to verify the phone number as well, and we will get the verification OTP onto the phone number. So now we are authenticating our phone number. Okay, so now I have got the OTP. So now I will input the verification code. Okay, and we will verify that code. Okay, so by this manner we can authenticate that it is the correct user. So we can fill the company name, address. Okay, and we need to tick the checkbox to accept the term and condition of the Microsoft account. So we can select on both checkbox. Now we need to fill the card details. Okay, so initially it will charge very less amount, or I can say it is almost free. So you can fill your card details here, and you can click on the sign up button. So by this way, we have created the Microsoft Outlook account and Azure account. So to access the Azure service, now we will sign in onto the portal.azure.com. Okay, now we will input the password for the already created Outlook email. Okay, so now we have signed in into the portal of Azure. So here we can see that there are a number of Azure services. So it is around 55 service or more than it. So we can see that we can create a source, and we can SQL database, Kubernetes, and we can see it is the free trial version. Now we can click on the subscriptions. We can see the subscription plan as well for our account. Okay, so we can see that our free trial account is active. Okay, so we can see the subscription ID as well. Okay. So now we are clicking on the free trial account, so we can see that there is no cost associated with this account, and we can see that this free trial account is valid for the 30 days only. So we need, so if anyone want to learn Azure service, so he or she can utilize 30 days to learn. So please subscribe this channel by which I can motivate, and we will bring next technical video regarding the Azure. Thanks all of you for watching this video.